yeah, you can tell they graded this, so it's a pretty good road now.
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah, people come back in here and hike. This is where the Elephant Head Trail is.
Okay.
So they come back here all the time to hike Elephant Head.
Yeah. Yeah, I put ice cubes in it this morning. It's
Oh, you
still
did?
cool. Yeah.
Oh, wow. I never thought to do that. It's actually a really good idea. So today is Saturday, April 23rd, 2022. Chip and I are going to go back and explore an old mine. It's pretty interesting. It's filled full of water. Just something cool to see back here. Modeling the garden section hat there. It's nice and shady.
Yes.
So Chip stumbled onto one of the coolest pieces of garbage I found out here yet. It's an old Coors can. This is really old. Looks like, I don't know if somebody dug this hole or...
Yeah, there's metal down in the hole. So, I don't know.
So the date says Americas. I can't read it. Coors, it's got the emblem there.
Yep.
Beer. That's really cool. Oh, it's did they have to punch a hole? Yeah, they had to punch a hole there to drink it.
Yep.
So we got more traffic, people coming from the border, jumping the border. I'd be careful about. Yeah. It's a little kid's jacket. What do we got there?
Sleeping bag.
Yeah. This was recent,
jackets.
very, very recent. There's a bunch there. Another one up there. I don't know if that's little kids or...
Yeah. Catch my breath.
There's those antennas we went up to back there.
Yep.
Yeah, pretty cool.
Hike.
Yeah, that's neat. It's hard to believe that there's a road up there, but I guess there is.
Yep. Wouldn't want to take my car up there, but maybe in a four-wheel drive truck.
Yeah, maybe. They take work trucks up there, like 2-ton work trucks.
Yeah, that blows my mind. That road's really steep.
That area where we parked is an area where there's a lot of places you can fork out and explore, as well as Forest Service maintained trails and their trailheads. Well, it's what kind of rock is that? Do you know?
Well, it's quartz, and then it's got, I don't know if that's, I don't know what that is in there. Not gold or pyrite, but
there's a really old, what must be a mining access road back here that leads to this old mine we're gonna check out. Have to come back down it. That's the hard part. There we go. So we're making our way back. We've now got off the Forest Service road. This area here says not to come back here with any motorized vehicles, but it's no problem walking. Pretty neat little flat area.
yeah, that's not something I see in the desert very often.
What's that?
Grassy stuff.
Oh yeah.
That's pretty cool.
Hey Chip, you think we're there yet?
Not quite.
Looks like we're headed up right here to our destination. We're coming away from the canyon now. So I had a little scare back there. A big snake was on the side of the trail and he zipped right off. He wanted nothing to do with us. He was not a rattlesnake, and even if he was, I have come across a few rattlesnakes. They want absolutely nothing to do with you. They can't eat you. The only reason they would bite you is to defend themselves. So long as you're alert and you're looking for them, they won't do anything to you. I'm really excited. I wanted to take my parents back here last week, but we couldn't access the trailhead. There's a massive picnic going on there with some families, and I don't really want to disturb them.
Are we there yet?
Yeah, I see the tailing pile. Do you have a good rock to sit on somewhere? Or?
Yeah, I'll sit right there.
Oh, okay. Yeah, we're gonna stop and take a break here. Yeah, so I don't know if I told you, I carry these little sugar packets from Pedialyte. They're pretty good. I got an extra one if you want. Yeah, we should make you one of these little medical bags too.
Yeah.
And just throw it in your car, or grab it if you go hiking. Or the other day I was out showing homes, and the guy that was with me cut his hand.
Ooh.
So I gotta use my medical bag.
Nice.
So here we're on the tailings pile. I don't know that this was a terribly big mine, but we'll come up. You see a water pipe coming out of it. Goes to a trough over there. We'll take a look at that in a moment. But here's our portal. And my guess is this collapsed or was pushed in at one point, and then it came open again. But there's a spring back here that has flooded the portal. This little thing's laying here. Somebody cut it off. It looks like a lock or something. Somebody improvised a lock to, maybe at one point there was a guard over this. A little bit of Chip doing some mine exploring here. You say you didn't want to go swimming in there?
No, I think not.
There's the real bright mode. I don't know if you can, or back in there you can see. That's kind of cool.
Yeah.
So there's a mine entrance by Chip there, and I think they must have been plumbing water out of this, because there's some pipe here. Got some PVC pipe, got a little bit of metal pipe. Go over here, it goes to a trough that's got a fallen tree on it. Right here. Oh, it actually keeps going from here. Oh, it just ends right there. Okay. So we're making our way back down to the car. This is the easy part. We're going downhill. The views are amazing. They're even better coming down the canyon, because you can look at the canyon as opposed to the side of the mountains when you're coming back down. Easy peasy.
Oh yeah.
How did you like that hike?
That was fun.
Yeah.
That was good.
Yeah, it's pretty good.